Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you today?
Fine.
I'm fine too. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gisela Amina. You can call me Giselle. I am 10 years old. I will tell you a story entitled The Girl Who Never Gives Up. To the judges, please accept Giselle's respect. The Girl Who Never Gives Up. One night, there was a girl who was participating in a competition with extraordinary enthusiasm. That night, the little girl was excited about the competition starting. After a long wait, the long-awaited announcement arrived. Disappointed, she was called to the stage, only to be humiliated by someone. The little girl was deeply disappointed and sobbed. She remained silent, but was constantly encouraged by her parents and teachers who loved her. Finally, the girl decided not to be pessimistic that the competition was the end of everything, but rather to move forward and be even more enthusiastic. So, for now, just like what's in front of you, do the best you can. The rest is time to learn to surrender. Even if it's difficult or uncomfortable, keep believing. Stay strong, everyone. Thank you.